I'd show you guys my morning routine. I really am that person that takes my morning routine very seriously. Every morning, I truly do prioritize taking the time to have a slow and soft start to the day. It's really healed my nervous system, helps with my creative energy, and I really just love romanticizing my life. Hopefully this can inspire you to prioritize creating a soft and slow start to your day, and it might give you some ideas of different things you can do or try. So one of the first things that I like to do before heading downstairs is I like to look at my to-do list. So I use Planjoy and I also use a physical calendar. This is everything that I have to do today. I always have my morning and evening routines on here. I don't organize according to like how urgent things are. I just like to use the boxes to distinguish different like categories of things. So yeah, I have my routines here. So taking my vitamins, my evening routine, and my morning routine, which is what we're going to be doing together today. I always have Clover's Care for the morning and evening. And then today on my big agenda, which is the red box, I'm gonna be writing at 2 p.m. just for a little hack. I need to reach out to my professor. I need to do some preparation for my winter art classes. And then of course, filming my morning routine, taking you guys along with me. I always put like my current like content creation and focuses. So I have my morning routine video that I'm filming right now. And I also have another art vlog coming for you guys. And then I also have my French lesson. I just basically study a little bit of it every day for 20 minutes to an hour. So the first part of the skincare routine, we're gonna do the Medicube Zero Pore Pads. I swear these have been working like magic on my face. I've been doing them for about 2 weeks. I'm gonna use my native deodorant. Right now I'm using this Vitamin C Beauty Hydration Gel Moisturizer. I actually need to buy more. Okay, and the last part of my morning skincare is I use the La Roche-Posay Full Repair Moisturizer. The next thing I do is my body moisturizing. I love the hemp solution. Nothing is sponsored in this video, by the way, but I love the hemp solution. It's the spun sugar and vanilla bean, and it actually has like a little touch of shimmer. I was wondering, I was like, why do I look like Edward right now in the sunlight? And it's very subtle. It's very subtle. Like I literally didn't notice it until like the 5th time I used it. But it has a little shimmer in it, and it's really cute. I actually think it's really cute. I love this scent for the fall. It smells so warm and sweet. It just has like a very cozy smell. That is it for the skincare routine. Now moving on to makeup. My main like go-to look is I just do eyeliner, blush, and a little bit of highlight. I'm just using the NYX eyeliner. I am not a makeup channel, so bear with me here while I try to figure out how to film and to look in the mirror at the same time. Alright, that's it for eyeliner. I'm just using the Urban Decay blush. It's a liquid blush. Alright, we switched to my phone because my camera battery died. There's a very clear difference in quality. But anyways, I just finished with the highlighter and the blush. And then I brushed my teeth and I used this ColourPop Strawberry Milk lip mask. You can just do any time of the day, so I really just use it like lip gloss because it like hydrates my lips really well. And that is it for getting ready. The next thing we're gonna do is turn my horse Clover out into pasture. Under construction, so I'm bringing her through the tack room. Got spooky. Goodness, we really need to clean this mirror. Well, good thing she's not scared of plastic bags. Also gonna brew some Earl Grey this morning. I definitely prefer tea over coffee. I just noticed it tends to make me a lot less anxious and antsy. And of course, I cannot forget to take my vitamins. I really hate taking pills, but vitamins are important. Can you tell I hate taking pills? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of what my mornings look like living in my tiny home on a horse farm. I hope this inspires you to create a morning routine that really allows you to embrace your day softly and slowly. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I'll see you next week.